This is topic 3.3, movable bed and bed forms. The first development of bedload layer. Now, when the bed is filled with sediment particles that may be transported by the flow, the depth of the sediment layer changes as the sediment is transported. The time change of this bed form can be expressed by the conservation of the amount of sediment. Consider a box of length dx and the unit widths in the sediment layer. The sediment transported into this box through the upstream surface is QB, and the sediment transported out on the downstream surface is QB plus dQB dx times dx. The difference of these is the amount that accumulates within the box. The rate at which the sediment accumulates is the rate of increase of the bed thickness, multiplied by the ratio of the solid particle of the box filled with the sediment to the total volume, which is 1 minus porosity lambda. Simplifying this equation, we obtain the transport equation, equation 12. When more transport occurs, the bed is scoured and the thickness will decrease, which is erosion. Where the transport is low, the sediment transported to that location will accumulate, resulting in the deposition. The variation in the sediment transport will create non-flat bed, which is called the bed form. Depending on various conditions, the deposition and erosion patterns create distinctive shapes of the bed. They are classified as ripples and dunes. Here are some examples. Ripples occur when the bed form waves much smaller than the depth. The dunes occur when the wave amplitude is comparable to the depth. So the shape of the water surface is related to the shape of the bed surface. There can be two kinds. One when the flow is subcritical, and another is when the flow is supercritical. Also, the bed forms can move either upstream or downstream, and they are classified as dunes or anti-dunes. Some pictures that occur in natural rivers are shown here. The top one is the picture of ripples. These are the picture of dunes. Now, there is a correlation for occurrence of ripples, dunes, and anti-dunes. This graph shows a correlation given by Kennedy. It correlates the occurrence of dunes, ripples, dunes, and anti-dunes by the Froude number f on the vertical axis and wave height delta divided by the depth d. In this region, the anti-dunes moving upstream will occur. In this region, ripples or dunes can occur. And in this region, the anti-dunes moving downstream will occur. These are the different forms of the bed forms. And that is the topic 3.3. Thank you very much.